everyone, my name is Yamini Churi, class SYMMS, roll number MB21024, subject Training and Development, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is 7 Learning Styles. Introduction. Many people recognize that each person prefer different learning styles and techniques. Learning styles group common way that people learn. Everyone has a mix of learning styles. Some people may find that they have a dominant style of learning with far less use of other styles. Others may find that they use different style in different circumstances. 7 learning styles. First, visual. Visual learner prefer to see things drawn out or in graphs to understand concept. If you like to doodle, draws or create mind maps, it's likely that you are a visual learner. Visual learner use images and symbols to connect concept and be able to see relationship between ideas. It's common for people who become an architect, designer, engineer and project manager to prefer this type of learning. Second, verbal. If you love word and writing, you are likely to verbal learner. Linguistic learner enjoy reading and writing and enjoy word play. Some techniques that verbal learner employ for solve up information could include role playing and using mnemonic devices. Verbal learners are likely to become a writers or journalists or work in politics and administration roles. Third, auditory. This style is also known as oral and auditory musical. Such learner like to listen and hear information in order to process it optimally. Those who learn toward oral learning are able to notice the nuances between pitch and tone. Some professions that bode well for auditory learner include musicians, speech pathologists, sound engineer and language teacher. 4. Kinesthetics. According to the theory, kinesthetic learners are all about doing things physically. Role playing, using things like flashcards or crying out the action physically can help them learn things better. Print and build this 7-sided die to see whether the hand-on approach could help you retain information. 5. Logical. Logical learners have a mathematical brain. They can recognize patterns easily and connect concepts. To understand ideas, they prefer to group them into categories. Logical learners are most often found in math-related professions like accounting, bookkeeping, computer science, or research. 6. Social. Social learners are known as an interpersonal learner. They can communicate well both verbally and non-verbally. Social learners have a distinctive sensitivity and an empathetic nature. This is why they often work in social fields that help others, like counseling, coaching, or teaching. Social learners tend to also thrive. It's a safe environment because it relies on interpersonal connection. 7. Solitary. Intrapersonal learners like their solitude. When they think of this type of learner, you can imagine an author or researcher who spend a lot of time with their own thoughts and word based with the least distraction. The importance of learning style in the classroom. The best way to accommodate different learning style in your classroom is to use a multisensory approach. As the name implies, a multisensory approach incorporates multiple senses into learning process. Children taught with a multisensory approach retain information better because they have more opportunities to connect with what they are observing. For example, if you were teaching an introductory lesson or nouns to first graders, you would want to get multiple senses involved. You would probably read the definition or noun and show picture of different people, places and things. You could even send your student on a noun hunt around your classroom and have them write down example of nouns involving all those senses will make a lesson more memorable. In your homeschool, homeschooling is all about being able to give your child the individual instruction that he or she need to excel. But in reality, it's a really hard to know your child learning style, and it's not really important that you do. Your energy will be better spent by paying attention to how well your child learning. When your child struggle to grasp to connect concept, try a different approach, but instead of trying to tailor all about teaching to a specific learning style and enhancing yourself in the process, consider using a multi-sensory approach instead. Thank you.